Hello my dears, welcome back to my channel. In today's short pronunciation video, I'm going to teach you this sound here. This is ow, ow. So you'll notice first of all that this vowel sound is moving. Okay, so it starts in one place and it finishes somewhere else. We need to be able to hear both parts of this vowel really clearly. Ow, ow. So the starting point for this vowel is the same vowel as in words like hat and apple. Ah, ah. You can see, can't you, how open my mouth is here. Ah, ah. My tongue is low and it's forward. Ah. Then we're going to move backwards. We're going to pull the tongue backwards to the centre of the mouth and a little bit beyond that as well. We're moving towards the vowel in words like pull and book. So it sounds something like ow, ow. Okay, notice that rounding of my lips at the end of the sound as well. Ow. Okay. Only two ways to spell this vowel sound, which is a real gift for us because English spelling is very, very difficult, as we know. So first of all, we spell it O-U. For example, out, house, shout, loud. And we spell it O-W, like now, down, cow, brown. Down in the caption below this video I have put a link for you to get a free guide that will teach you all about this sound and all the other sounds of British English as well, including giving you some hints and tips about how you can practice on your own. That guide is absolutely free, it's all yours as my gift, so make sure you go and click on that link in the caption below and download that guide. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for being here. I will see you in the next video.